Hello everyone, in today's video we will see the Google Pixel 9a tips and tricks and best settings. So first one, the tips and trick is a Gemini Live for hands-free assistant. Gemini Live include a 9 Pixel 9a 1 year for free Google One AI premium trial. Lets you have natural voice-based conversation with Google AI. So to get, you can open the Google One application. Once you open the Google One, here you will see the 1 year free subscription for Gemini Live, Gemini Advance, and get it for free trial. I already used this trial, that's why here it will show the amount. In your case, you will get it for free. The step 2, maximize battery with extreme battery saver. The Pixel 9a have 4700 mAh battery can last up to 72 hours with extreme battery saver. To do, you can open the battery settings. In battery setting, you can simple go to battery saver and then select extreme battery saver. Now it will disable all visual effect, background activities, essential apps and everything. You will see here. Now, once I enable it, you will see everything is grayed out. The tip 3 is to customize at the glance widget. The at glance widget on the home screen shows contextual info like weather, calendar, event, and commute times. So you can easily customize it by simple hold on the display and then go to widgets. Okay. Also go to home screen and tap at a glance and also tap its settings to see how its work and its feature, and you can easily monitor it. Next one is to enable satellite SOS for emergencies. The Pixel 9a support SOS, satellite SOS, letting you contact emergency services without cellular or Wi-Fi coverage. To do, you can go to the settings. In setting, you can simple go to privacy and security. Here, go to safety and emergency. Sorry, you can go to safety and emergency settings here. And now you can simple click on emergency SOS. Okay. And now here select setup button to set up it. Okay. And now you can simple tap on start and then click on next. The next best setting is to you can use call screen to filter spam calls. The call screen use Google Assistant to answer unknown calls and spam for screen for spams. Enable it by simple opening the phone app and then open the settings of it by simple tap on three dots. Sorry, go back, tap on three dots and then tap on settings. After that, go to spam and calls. So where is spam and calls? Caller ID and spam. And now here you can simple enable both features. The next one, the best settings for optimal performance is display, the 120 hertz, the battery, okay, and the camera that can support 48 MP resolution for the main camera. Okay. Also, its security because it's have a threat protection. To enable, open the settings, then go to privacy security, scroll down, click on more security, and after that, if you not found it, you can open the search bar and then type here theft protection. And then here you will see it. And now you can easily enable it for theft for lock and the offline. Okay. So these are the some tips and tricks for best settings of Google Pixel 9a. Goodbye.